Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2018-19 video tutorial, the next one in the series. I want to take a look at the trim or split commands for surfaces and curves which are available in SolidWorks. So I've got 4 extrude surfaces and let's take a look at that trim command. Trim surface. Standard, and I don't want to use split all. You can go for keep selections or remove selections, and at first you will select the trim tool. Let's take this as tool for the trim. Now you can select which surface to remove, this side or that side. And if you go for split all, you can even select parts of those surfaces, maybe this one and that one, and confirm. Now let's undo this. Go again for the trim surface command and switch from standard to mutual. And first you select surfaces, maybe this one, that one, this one and that one. And now you can go and remove parts of those surfaces. Again, split all, and you could even change which surface parts are highlighted. I go for included. Split all, it means you just can do it like that. Split all, you can select certain parts of the surfaces. So I will deactivate this, and I want to remove this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, and that one. And that's more like the trim command in Getir, for example, and confirm. Quite easy to use and easy to see what happens. Let's undo this. As in Solid Edge and NX, you can trim that surface with that curve which lies not on that surface or on this one. So let's go for another trim. The surface I want to use, let's go for standard. So the trim tool would be that curve here, and I want to remove this side and also that side, just for example, and confirm. Again, very easy to use, very easy to see. Let's undo this. Now maybe hide those surfaces and show the sketch. Maybe let's take a look, this one. Or do we have another one? I will need to add, or yeah, I could add another line here, or a spline. Let's go for a spline. So that's just another 2D curve, but that doesn't really matter, because I will make a 3D sketch and then include those elements. Let's make this visible. Hide that one. And let's go for a 3D sketch. And convert entities. I want to convert this one, and that one. And confirm. Now I can trim, go for trim entities, and it will work like a charm. So I want to remove this one, that one, this one, and that one, and confirm this. And if I hide this one, you will see I've trimmed the 3D curves, and it's very easy to do, and you could trim splines and lines as well. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Hope it was helpful. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.